Let's go on the tennis court. Oh, it's hard to step. It's really deep, guys. Good thing I have boots. Let's go running. I don't want to go there.
It's like too deep.
No.
And Hemu, I'm saying we can't be out for more time, okay? Like maybe max 5 minutes. Make it fast.
Is this the sidewalk?
Yes.
It's really cold, guys.
Yes, it's chilling like minus
Let's
30
play in the
degrees
snow.
centigrade. Yeah, it's minus 30 degrees centigrade feel like, you know?
Let's do like that. Ready?
Oh my gosh. Make sure it won't go inside your body. Get up, get up, get up. Enough.
This is my snowing zone.
It's getting into your body, buddy. Make sure.
Let's do our next journey. Oh my god. Oh, 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 oh,
Hands are chilling, man.
oh, gosh. Guys, it's really cold out here.
We have a sun too.
Yeah. Good job. See my footprint, guys? I'm gonna make another one here. Ah! Ah! Ah!
Hey, more. Maybe 2 more last minutes.
Okay.
My hands are chilling. Can't bear. No, Hemo.
Oh, that's cool. It's too cold out here. I think we gotta go home now.
Come on. That's a good decision.
You can. Let's take them on our journey back home.
Yeah.
Oh,
Good they have cleaned it in the morning. Come on, make it fast.
and let's smash this. Oh, ow, oh. Ready, guys? Oh,
They cleaned the driveways, Hemo. So early. Come. Careful. Don't run.
we don't have first aid.
Okay, want to wrap it up?
Bye. Keep smiling and hope you have a happy holiday. Bye. Merry Christmas.